What's good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. Time for another cooking video. Today we're going to have a little fun. We're going to do Bigtone's version of Wendy's, the Baconator. So it's been a long time since I've had Wendy's, and I know I've had the Baconator one time or so, but I remember thinking, I can do that better. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do Bigtone's version of the Baconator. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the Baconator. These are the ingredients for Bigtone's Baconator. I don't think that Wendy's puts a sauce on theirs. I could be wrong, but this is my ingredients. So we got 4 patties here that I've made in the square fashion just to keep in the theme of Wendy's here. So I made them in a square, kind of. And of course we got my bacon. I got this naturally hickory smoked bacon, thick cut for the Baconator. Seasoning, very simple. Salt, pepper, pink Himalayan sea salt, you know how I get down. And I'm going to use a little bit of the bone sucking sauce steak seasoning. I like that seasoning on there. So we're going to use those for a seasoning. Then I'm going to create Bigtone sauce here. It's just mayo, ketchup, a little bit of mustard, and I'm going to be using some smokehouse cheddar cheese for my Baconator. And then I had to break out the big boy buns, the brioche style buns, because they hold up a lot better, a little bit bigger, and I like those for these kind of burgers. So that's all the ingredients. Oh, and I'm sorry, I'm going to put a little pickle relish in the sauce. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Give it a little sweetness and a little bit of texture. But that's all there is. So let's get started putting this together. And by the way, I'm doing this on Steelmadeusa griddle. I'll tell you about that in a second. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to get started with my bacon. I'm going to put some on back here. Now this is my Steelmadeusa griddle. If you don't know about it, you're about to know. So the Steelmadeusa griddle, it turns your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. It's just a steel metal grate that you put on top. It's made right here in America, in Kansas City. And I love it. I've had it for a couple years. And if you want one, all you have to do is click on the link in the description. And it takes you to the website. When you get ready to check out, you use my code number 5, the number 5 Bigtone, and it gives you 10% off whatever you purchase. So keep that in mind. Tell them Bigtone sent you. Alright, so I got a few more pieces of bacon to put on. I got bacon everywhere. This is really going to be the Baconator. Alright, so I got my handy dandy press there in case they start to curl up. Gonna press them down. So let's let the bacon cook for a minute, then we'll start on the sauce here in just a second. So we're gonna start on the sauce here a little bit. And the sauce is very simple. I'm using some Duke's mayonnaise. Nice, a little bit more than a tablespoon. Just a tad bit more. Alright. And we're going to add just a touch of ketchup. And a little bit of mustard. And we're going to add about a teaspoon of pickle relish to it. And we're just going to stir that up. Alright, so I'm going to give it a little taste. Needs a little bit more mustard. Just a tad bit more. Mix that up in there. Alright, that should be good. And that's all there is to the sauce. We're just going to set that aside. And we're going to go back over and tend to our bacon. Guys, so the bacon's cooking up nice. Got a couple pieces I'm going to flip over here. Throw the press on those two, just to keep them flat. You're more than welcome to cook these in the oven if you want to. I like cooking bacon in the oven too. I love it. But today, since I got my flat top out, it's been on my stove top for a couple days, so that's what I'm using. Oh yeah, flatten that out nice. All right, so we're gonna let the bacon keep cooking here before we put the burgers on. I got a couple pieces that are done here, and for you guys who are not that experienced in cooking bacon or on the flat top, when you think the bacon's done, that's when it's time to take it off. Because once you flip bacon over, it cooks very quickly. So when you think it's done, take it off. If you like your bacon extra crispy, leave it on for a couple seconds longer. Right here, I turn the temperature down to about medium, and we're gonna put our burgers on. I'm gonna put 2 here, and I'm gonna put 2 back here. Right off the bat, I'm gonna start seasoning them. Do a little pink Himalayan sea salt. Some black pepper. Ah, yeah. And then we're gonna dust them with our bone-sucking sauce. Just a little dusting. Alright, so we're going to let the burgers cook on one side, develop that crust, and we're going to turn them over. I'll be back in a second. It's time to warm up my buns. I got my buns buttered here. We're going to throw those on the back eye right there. And we're going to put these 2 on the front. And it's looking like it's time to flip these burgers. Ah, look at that crust. Woo! Looking good, looking good. There we go. We're gonna cook those up. Got my cheese ready to go. I'm gonna season this other side real quick. The burgers are just about medium where I want them, maybe a little bit more than that. But we're gonna do what most people don't do. I'm gonna assemble most of the burger right here on the griddle. I put my cheese on one. We're gonna line this with 3 pieces of bacon per layer. So my other burger right there, hit it with a piece of cheese. We're gonna go in with 3 pieces of bacon. We're gonna make it 4. 4 pieces of bacon on that one. All right. So from there, we're gonna put the lid on. We're gonna get that cheese nice. Any extra bacon is up for grabs. Alrighty. Look at that burger. Oh man, let me assemble this for you. We'll be right back. Check, travelers check, cashiers check. There you go. Bigtone's Baconator. Very quick, very fast, easy. Way better than Wendy's. I don't know what else to say, but you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Bigtone's version of the Baconator. Oh, can't wait to get my mouth around this one. Ooh, I got my paper towel ready. I don't even know where to attack this at. I gotta put this down. Oh, Lord. Bigtone's Baconator, aka artery stopper, aka artery clogger. Hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.